If your phone doesn't have a cursor, an arrow, or a pointer, but you can edit this customized and method subscription direction, then I rate you a genius beginner. The steps are pretty easy actually. Let's get right into the video.
First, open your YouTube and switch your account with another Gmail account. Then search for the name of your channel on the search engine of your YouTube page. Then when it opens, on your screen recorder, the screen recorder of your phone, and record yourself while you click on the subscribe and you turn on the notification. After doing that, save the screen record. So we'll move over to the next app, which is KineMaster. Okay, once you launch the KineMaster app, then you import the video that you screen recorded earlier. If you don't know how to import a video, then you might want to go back and check some of our previous videos. So once you import the video to the timeline, the editing timeline, the next thing is for you to check on the editing tools in the KineMaster. You will see a place written layer. So once you click on the layer, you see image. You click on image. Then there in the image, you might not want to go to your gallery to import the image. You're going to see a background there. You click on the background and add a white background to the video. So the white background, you click on it and click on these three dots here at your left hand side corner and duplicate the whiteboard into 4 places. So what you are going to use these whiteboards to do is to cover all the unwanted areas in the video that we screen recorded. So after covering all the 4 edges in the video that we screen recorded with the background picture, the white background picture, the next thing is you change that white background picture into green. So you click on each of those background white pictures and change the colors into green. So after changing the colors into green, so we've succeeded in turning the video into a green screen. The next thing is to export the video. After exporting the video, then we are going to be introducing ourselves to another app called Alight Motion. If you aren't sitting up now, you might need to sit up and focus more because it's going to get even more interesting. Let's continue. Okay, here in Alight Motion, you'll see a small green icon that has a plus sign. So you click on it and select the template of the video that you want to be editing, and then click on Create Project. Right in the interface, editing interface of the Alight Motion, you are going to see another small plus icon. You click on it. It will show you options to import objects, videos, and pictures. So you go for the videos option and click on videos. Then select that particular video that we exported from our KineMaster that is already in green screen. So the video is now in the editing timeline. What you do is you click on the plus option there and add an object. Now you are no longer selecting video, but then you select the objects that you want to use as a pointer or as an arrow to animate this video. Then I would like to use a hand-like object. So you search for hand-like object here. You can use any one at all. You can use an arrow, you can use good, you can use anything, but then I'm using a hand-like object. You click on it, so it enters the timeline. Then you resize the object and change the color to any color of your choice, but then you resize the object so that it doesn't stay in the green screen, because at the ending of this video we are going to be removing the green screen. So you resize it so that it enters that white subscription region of the green screen. So if you check in this editing interface, you are going to see this option right here. So you click on it and use it to move the object up, down, the sideways. So you can place it anyhow you want to place it, but then I want the object to be facing upward. So after that, then you can stretch the object so that it becomes the same size with the video that you were animating. So this point now, you are going to be very careful and attentive in whatever you are doing. So what you need to do is you need to scroll along the duration of the videos in the timeline and check when that subscription button will change from the red color to the ash color as a result of it being clicked. Then you drag the object in the timeline to that particular duration just before or a few seconds before the subscription will change color. So you drag the hand-like object to that particular point in the video or in the duration, then you leave it there. So we'll continue. Next, you highlight that object that you want to be animating. Then you're going to see this option, move and transform. Once you click on move and transform, you're going to see a key at the top left hand side of the editing tools there. Once you click on that key, then you change the duration. Once you change the duration and move it a little where you want the hand to move from, start the movement from, and where you want the movement to end, then you use the option in that bracket. You see a place written sweep here to move layer. So once you sweep on that place, you see that you are dragging the object from one position to another. So this will help you to drag it from several positions to another position from the subscribe button. Then you drag it again and change duration and drag it again to the bell, the notification bell. But then you have to be very, very sensitive and careful in selecting perfect timing so that it comes exactly when you click on the notification bell. So this is the simple way to do it. Once you are done with this movement, starting from the moving it to the subscribe button down to the notification bell, then you are done. You play it, you see the movement and what the thing looks like. The next thing is for you to export your video. After exporting the video, your animation is ready. You can just use a chroma key from any editing software that you are using to remove the green screen effects. Then you're leaving just the animation in the video. So, but then if you're using a free version of this Alight motion app, then you're going to be seeing a watermark as you are seeing right in front of this video. So for you to remove the watermark, you need to upgrade to the premium version of this app, or you can still cover it with a green screen. When you cover it with a green screen using a chroma key, you can remove it entirely. So what we're going to do now is, after exporting this video, we'll go into our VN editing app and use the chroma key there to remove this green screen effect, and we'll get the desired results that we are looking for. So here in the VN app, the work is already made easy. So you select the particular video that you want to be adding your customize and method subscription button to. So once you add it, you allow it to process. After processing complete, the video enters into the timeline. So right there in the timeline, you click on the option there that has a kind of image icon to import another video as a layer. So once you click and import the video, so the video that we'll be importing now is the one we just exported using our Alight motion. So once you add the video there, you then use the chroma key effect in the editing options in VN. Use the chroma key effect to remove the green screen. Actually, the Alight motion watermark is still here because we didn't remove it. So you can still remove it by using a green screen to cover it. So you can now resize it to the size of your choice. You can now resize it to the size of your choice, whether you want it to be big or whether you want it to be small. So it is that simple, yet stressful. Actually, I rate this video the most difficult subscription animation that a beginner can do. Very, very difficult and stressful. But then in our next video tutorial, I will show us the simple way to just do a very simple animation subscription animation, but then it is not going to be a customized animation subscription. So if you watched this video to this end and you can do this, I rate you 5 stars.